Today we're going to make your roof vents look new again and protect them from the sun at the same time. All you're going to need is a can of spray paint, and the handle I'm using here is basically going to give you more control over the paint. You can find all the products that I'm using in the description. You want to make sure that your vents are clean, whether it's PVC or metal as in this case. And basically the paint that I'm using here has primer and paint, and it will stick to the metal, or will stick to PVC, will stick to pretty much anything. So you just want to ensure that the vent or the PVC piping that you're painting is somewhat clean, and you want to go ahead and mask around it like I did. Again, I'm using Rust-Oleum. It comes with the paint and primer in one, and I'm using that handle for better control. Here you can see a before, and then you can see an after, and you can see just by painting that vent that it elevates it, makes it look more expensive, also protecting it from the sun, especially the PVC pipe. So for very cheap you can make your vents look a lot better and look custom and look a lot more expensive than they are just by painting it the way I did here. So it's a very easy, cheap trick to get your vents to look a lot more expensive than they seem, and it's going to give your house a lot more character instead of having that metal look that sometimes rusts, or that white PVC coming out of your roof that doesn't look good. So with this, at least it looks like it's custom, and really all you have to do is just spray paint these vents, whether they be metal or PVC. And you can see here I'm just using a little bit of cardboard, and I'm using the cardboard in order not to get some of the paint into the roof shingles. But with this roof shingle, it's kind of dark anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But all I did was use a piece of ribbed cardboard, and as I hit the vent, I just angled the piece of cardboard in order to prevent painting the shingles themselves. Again, I think painting the vents on your roof is something that you can do to improve the appearance of your house, and it's a cheap thing to do. Very easy to do, and it just makes it look a lot more custom and a lot more expensive, like I said. What it does also is on the PVC pipes, the white PVC pipes, it actually protects the pipe from the radiant heat from the sun. Over time it could be brittle and it could crack and all that, so it actually does help a little bit, but I think it just looks a lot better than having a white pipe sticking out of your roof. So this is basically a very cheap way to improve your house, to make your house look more custom and to make it look better than it is. It's a lot better than having rusted metal pipe or a PVC pipe coming out of your roof that doesn't look good. So this is something that you could do, again, very cheap if you're getting ready to sell that house and you want to make the house look a little bit better, or if you like improving your house, this is a cheap little trick that you can do that's really gonna make your roof look a lot better. People are gonna be like, okay, he's got a custom chimney or a custom vent, and all you had to do was just paint it with some Rust-Oleum paint and primer. Use that handle that I have here. It's gonna help out a lot, and you can see what it looks like here at the end. It really does make it look like it's custom made. It makes it look more appealing, and it's going to give your house a much better look. I hope this video has been informative. I hope you try this out. As always, be careful when you go up on the roof. If you can't do it, don't do it. Hire somebody else. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.